And just so y'all know, I'm not capping. As you can see, I got $50 balance here, another $50 balance, and one that I just paid off. Did you know that you can increase your credit score 40 to 60 points just from using the Navy Federal Pledge Loan hack? If you didn't, now you do. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And for my people that's been here before, you know that I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe for more good content just like this. We're gonna be dropping
every single day.
You probably hear a lot about the pledge loan and what it can do for your credit report. So I'm here to explain to you exactly what the pledge loan is and how it can help you. In the credit game, most people have the understanding that having a high score is the most important part. But the most important part is having a thick profile. And this just means that you should have multiple things on your credit report, like different loans and different credit cards, so you can thicken your profile. Think of your credit score as a job application. You put all the good stuff on the application so that they can pick you out of everybody else. You gotta think of the profile as a job interview. This is where you secure the job. But if you fumble that interview, you won't get the job. So although your application was good, if you don't have a killer interview to follow up, the application was pointless. So again, think of your credit score as a job application and the credit profile as the job interview. The interview is where you close the deal. And this is why you would see somebody with a 750 credit score and a thin profile get denied over somebody with a 650 credit score and a thick profile. So this is how a pledge loan works. These pledge loans range from $250 to $100,000. So you would either put $250 in your savings, but if you're really balling, you can put $100,000 in your savings. But I will say this, whether you put 250 or 100K, it won't really make a difference in regards to diversifying your credit profile and building a relationship with Navy Federal. Again, you deposit the money into your savings account. And once you do that, they will basically loan the money back to you. So once the money's in your account, you basically want to call Navy Federal and get a representative on the phone. Once you get the rep on the phone, you want to tell them that you want to start a savings secured loan or pledge loan. Once you go through all that information that they ask you to provide, you will be approved. Now, once you're approved, the loan will show up in your mobile app. So they will loan the money back to you in your checking account. So you're able to do a 6-month term up to a 5-year term. And it's a small interest rate of about 2%. So the hack to this pledge loan is you will basically pay 90% of that loan immediately. And I say this because it will show up on your credit report that you paid majority of your loan off. And you also won't have to pay as much interest because now you only have 10% left to pay. The great thing about this pledge loan is that it's no hard inquiry to your credit report. Once you apply, you basically get approved and they don't have to pull anything for you to get approved. So back to paying 90% off. If you choose to do a $1,000 pledge loan, once they loan you back that $1,000, you want to pay $900 off immediately. And again, this will boost your credit score, especially if you don't have many accounts on your report. And also, if you didn't know, once you pay off any amount towards your loan, it will get deposited right back into your savings account, which is a plus. So if you needed to take that money out again, you could. And another trick is you could also start another pledge loan with the money that they deposit back. That's another thing that you could do. A lot of people aren't telling you. So when you do pay the 90% off, you won't have to make payments anymore until the last month of your term. For example, since you already paid 90% off, you made your payments 11 months in advance if you have a 12-month term. So to recap everything, you want to put minimum $250 and max $100,000 into your savings account. Then you want to call a representative and tell them that you want to start a pledge loan. And what I didn't mention before is once you get approved, you want to go into the mobile app and go to applications so you can accept it. Now, once you do receive this loan, you want to pay 90% off immediately. Doing all this, you just boosted your credit profile, therefore boosting your score. And I personally keep a few pledge loans open. As you can see, I got $50 balance here, another $50 balance, and one that I just paid off. Just so you know, I really do what I'm talking about. So make sure y'all go run the play. And always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just gotta get there. Let's get it.
Couldn't be, had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go high for